In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Smartsheet, whether you're starting from scratch or using one of the many available templates. Smartsheet is a powerful platform for managing workflows and collaborating on projects. First, let's explore how to create a Smartsheet from scratch. This option provides you with the opportunity to customize your sheet exactly how you like, tailored to fit your specific needs. Begin by heading over to your Smartsheet homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the plus sign labeled Create and give it a click. This action will prompt a menu to appear, presenting you with several options for crafting your Smartsheet. Among these options, choose Grid. Selecting Grid allows you to start with a blank canvas of rows and columns. As soon as you've selected this, your new sheet will be created inside a new workspace, giving you a fresh place to begin organizing your information. After your new Smartsheet appears, it's time to name your sheet. Choosing a meaningful name is important because it helps you quickly identify the content and purpose of the sheet later on. Once your sheet is named, you have the freedom to add any columns you need. Perhaps start with foundational ones such as task name, assigned to, due date, and status. These columns are essential for planning and tracking tasks effectively. Now, if starting from scratch sounds a bit daunting, or if you simply want to save time, using a template might be the better route for you. Back on the home page, go ahead and click on Create again. This time, select the option to View All Templates. This will show you a wide array of pre-made templates designed for different types of work like project management, budget, IT ticketing, and more. Take your time to browse through the templates and find one that closely matches what you need. Once you have your choice, click on Create from Template. These templates are particularly useful because they come with built-in columns, formatting, and sometimes even logic, which can automate parts of your workflow. Of course, you're free to customize these templates fully, adapting them to fit the specifics of your project or team's workflow needs. This dual approach, starting from scratch or using templates, offers flexibility, allowing you to tailor Smartsheet to best fit your unique requirements. Whether it's the simplicity of a grid you're after, or the structure of a template, Smartsheet helps streamline your work processes, making collaboration and project tracking more seamless than ever. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Smartsheet. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you find creating and customizing your Smartsheet projects both intuitive and beneficial.